Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make such a neon animation in Adobe After Effects. Well, first you need to follow the link in the description of this video and download the desired plugin. Create a new composition, specify its name, select the desired resolution, set the background color to black and click OK. Now we need to create an empty layer. For this, we right-click and press New, Solid. In the Solid Settings window, do not change anything and click OK. Select our empty layer and then click on the pen tool or press the G key on the keyboard and start drawing our future animation. Put the first dot here, hold down the Alt-Shift or Option-Shift keys on the Mac and drag to make rounded lines. We put the next point here and press the Alt-Shift keys by spinning line. And further, on this principle, we put the points like me. After that, by choosing our layer, go to the Effects and Presets window and write in the search for the name of our SABER plugin. Click twice the plugin and it applies to our layer. Go to the settings of the plugin, open the Customize Core settings, and in the Core Type item, select Layer Masks so that the plugin applies to our lines. Lightly increase the brightness of neon, and now we need to animate our mask to give the effect of the camera movement. Open our layer, then open the mask. We put the current time indicator at the beginning of the arrangement of the composition. We click on the Watch Opposite Mask path, and a keyframe is added. And a little move our lines ahead. Now drag the current time indicator to the end of the timeline and move our lines back. After we get such an animation, go again to the settings of the plugin. Open Customize Core. And Offset put 0. Click on the clock opposite Start Offset and put the value of 7. Current time indicator drag to the end, and then in Start Offset, put the value of 100. Now you need to duplicate our layer with a mask. It's copier with the Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V keys insert. We highlight both layers and in the mode window we'll change the value to screen. If you do not have a mode window, you need to press F4 and it will appear. Let's now change the color of the line of our second layer. We now delete all the key points of our second layer and change the location of the line curve points. Click on the line and after which all points are allocated at once. And begin to allocate at one point and move them so that in the. And let's now reanimate the mask path parameter by analogy with the first line. Let's see what happened. I think it looks great. Thank you all for your attention. Support me with a like and a subscription and wait for new videos. Bye everyone.